In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front brake pad sensors on this BMW 328i. These are going to be located in the front brakes. Let's get into it. We're going to remove the wheel. Use a 17mm socket. Take these lug bolts out. And before you take the last one out, just going to hold the wheel. Take that out, then grab the wheel and pull it off. There's a brake pad sensor here. Just going to use some needle nose pliers and then just pull this out. There's the clip right there. Make sure you pull the clip out as well. Put that on the sensor. And you get the bleeder screw cap right here. Just pop this off. Pull that out of the way. And the wire, take the wire, get the grommet, take that out of the bracket right there, just rotate it a little bit, pop that out, and the bracket on this side, pop that out of the bracket there, and open this door, flip that up, you can see the connector inside here. Pull the connector out. Just want to push down on the tab there and then disconnect the connector. There you go. And it comes right out. Now connect the connector. Put it in the little door. I'm going to move it so that that grommet will fit in that bracket. We can close the door, lock that down in place, push that into the grommet, and feed the wire through. And push the grommet into this bracket. Go through the cap for the bleeder screw. There's a little retainer around that. And then bring it over to the brake pad. Just going to use some needle nose pliers just to help get this guided in there. Line that up with the brake pad and push it in place. That's good. And put the wheel on. Get that lined up. Put the lug stud in. Snug that down. Snug those down. Now I'm going to torque the lug bolts to 80 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Go around again, double check.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.